everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie, and today's video I'm going to show how to make a yard sign with lights. I did a yard sign, a happy birthday yard sign a couple months ago. I link below if you want to see how I make the letters and the numbers. And today's video I'm going to make a happy 2021 with lights for celebrate my new year 2021. This 2021 was a hard year for everybody, but we need to celebrate. For this project we need spray paint. I'm going to use silver for my letters, gold for my stars, and blue for my numbers and stars. We need a sharp knife like this, a ruler, a pencil, and a plastic board. I got the plastic board and on Depot. We need shapes. I don't know if I'm going to use these small ones or the bigger ones, but I figured out each ones I'm going to use. And we need outside lights. I'm going to use these blue ones, outside lights, and let's go to start. I already made my letters. I leave below the link how to make a yard sign, and I measured my plastic board is 24 by 18, and I leave the link below, and for you see how I make the letters and the numbers. The other video I did before, and I show how I make that. Now the numbers and letters is ready to paint. I'm going to outside to paint them, and I'm coming back. My letters is already dry. I'm going start to mark where I want my lights. I'm start on really corner on this white part. I put my lights on this white part, and I'm start on the very corner, and for like 5 inches. I'm going to make a hold, and I has a piece of wood. Make sure I know hold my table. Make a holes like that. My lights is done, and I use these small shakes because I want this on the ground. And let's go to see if the lights works. Yes, works. So beautiful. I love how my yard sign Happy 2021 comes out in the night with the lights. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know in comments below what you think. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you next one. Bye.